Hi, welcome to this video, Dave. It's all about learning currency trading online for beginners. And what we're going to be looking at is, the basics that you need to study to get a strategy together that can make you a consistent income from the Forex markets. Now, what we'll start with is what you shouldn't do in Forex trading. Now, there's an endless stream of mechanical trading systems, robots, expert advisors, whatever you want to call them, and also guys on the net who say they found the secret of market movement, or there's some scientific order. Please do not buy any of these systems. None of them work. They're all sold on greed. The idea that you can make money following someone else and doing no work in any business is ridiculous, and it's certainly ridiculous in Forex trading. So what you need to do is see Forex as a serious business. That's what successful traders do. But the great news is, of course, Forex trading can be learned by anyone. The rewards are fantastic, and simple systems work best. So what sort of systems you need? Well, what I would say, first of all, for any beginner, the best way to approach the markets is with a technical approach. So basically you study chart action, price action on the chart, and try and trade trends. Okay, now this is quite easy to learn, and you can find everything you want about technical analysis online. What I would say is that if you're going to learn a strategy, you need to learn one that's longer term based. So you can either have long term trend following trends for a few weeks to a few months, or a shorter swing to trading strategy, which will be holding trades for a few days. Do not follow any day trading strategy. Learn a day trading strategy. It's a complete waste of time. All you are doing is trading market noise. The odds are not in your favor in day trading. Again, this is one of the myths that's promoted online, that day traders make money. Day traders don't make money at all. They lose all the time. So don't do what the majority do. Get a longer term system. And basically you can learn a system that's logical and will work in about a week. Now, that doesn't sound very long, does it? And it isn't very long. Now, when you've got your system, the real key to Forex trading success is not the system at all, it's you. Now, the statistics show that 95% of traders have always lost money, and that they will always lose money. And the reason for this is that traders don't understand that they need to trade with discipline. Okay, well, most traders don't. They let their emotions rule their trading, and they end up running losses, making them too big, and they cut profits, and they end up just basically losing their accounts. Now, the real key to Forex trading, keep this in mind, is the best Forex trading systems will probably win about 50% of the time. So you're going to be losing half your trades. So you've got to have the discipline to cut those losses. Now, the actual percentage of trades you lose doesn't matter. It's how big your winners are on the other side that counts. You've also not only got to cut your losses, you've got to run your winners to cover them, and that requires discipline. And this is why Forex trading is such a personal experience, and why you need to know what you're doing. You need to have confidence in your strategy to follow it with discipline and keep your emotions under control. It's a lot harder than many people think, and this is why they lose in Forex trading. You'll see an endless amount of people who make money in demo accounts, but when they come to real-time trading, they just can't make any money. So what I would suggest is, obviously, get a technical system, and then, if you've learned it yourself, okay, you'll have confidence in it because you'll know how and why it works. But I'd also suggest you invest some money in buying some books, from the great traders, so you can read about the real psychology that makes a winning trader. And go to Amazon and get Market Wizards and the New Market Wizards by Jack Schwager. Fantastic books. You'll learn a lot about why Forex success is in the mind in those books. The endless amount of people on the net who say that complicated systems are best, or that it's possible to beat the market, are simply just incorrect. I mean, I just see it all the time. I just think, how can you honestly think you can beat an odds-based market which is unpredictable, made up of humans? You can't. The best you can do, obviously, is trade the odds. But if you trade the odds correctly, you keep your losers small, and you run your winning trades, you can make a lot of money. In my view, you can learn Forex trading very quickly. Your system only needs to be simple, but please pay attention to your mindset. Your mindset is the most important criteria in you achieving success. So if you want to win, get a simple system, adopt a disciplined mindset. It's a choice to become disciplined, and you'll become a winner at Forex trading. So thank you very much for watching this short video, and I hope you achieve success in the Forex markets. Take care.